Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 25. Evaluate a 3 by 3 matrix of 4, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 3. A, we have 25, B, 45, C, 15, and D, 55. Now we have a 3 by 3 matrix and we're asked to evaluate this, that is, finding the determinant of this matrix. Now we have 4, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, and 1, minus 1, 1, and 3. Now there's a law that says that if you're picking this first, here will be plus, here will be minus, and here will be plus. So therefore we have what? We'll have 4 into, now when you're using 4 here, now you won't pick anything under 4, you will move to the next one and you pick what? This set here. So we have 3, minus 1, 1, and 3. Then the minus 2 into, now you won't pick anything under 2. So you pick under 4, which is 2, and under minus 1, which is minus 1, then minus 1, 3. Then plus minus 1 into, now we have 2, 3, minus 1, 1. Now this is equal to 4 into 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus, okay, now since it's plus times minus, that will give us minus, so minus 1 into 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by minus 1. Now from this will give us 4 into 9 minus 1, then minus 2 into 6 minus 1, because minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1, then minus, since it's 1 we don't need to put the 1 again, so minus 2 minus 3. Now this is equal to 9 minus 1 will give us 9 plus 1, which is 10. So 4 times 10 minus, now this is 6 minus 1, that will give us what? 5. So minus 2 times 5, then 2 minus 3 will give us what? 2 plus 3, which is 5, so minus 5. Now this is equal to 40 minus 10 minus 5, and that is equals to 40 minus 15, and that is equals to 25, which is option A. So the answer is 25. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.